Hey guys, welcome to Digit. Today we have with us the Jabra Evolve 65E. What we have here is the black variant. It is engineered to deliver professional UC certified sound on the go, as the box says. It's got Bluetooth 4.0 with up to a 30-meter range. Now let's unbox. On the top you see basic instructions on how to wear the headphones. On opening the box, you see the headphones themselves and the USB Bluetooth adapter. On opening the plastic layer that encompasses the headphones, you see the user manual and the warning booklet. Along with that, you get a black bag to carry your headphones and accessories in. On unzipping the bag, inside you see micro USB charging cable, an extra set of ear tips and an extra set of ear wings. Now coming back to the headphones. The ear tips are magnetic, which keeps them together when not in use. It has ear wings as well, which makes it easier to wear. The ear tips are oval and are really thin and soft. It's got 12 mm dynamic speakers. Further down the ear tips, you have the mic and the mute microphone button. It's got a 4 microphone ambient noise cancellation technology. Moving downwards, you see the power button or the call end button and the volume controls. On the side, you have the micro USB charging output. The neck band is really flexible and is made of a soft material. It also has vibration alert for phone calls or notifications. These earphones are built for professional use. The Evolve 65E is Skype for Business and UC certified. You can connect it to your PC using the USB Bluetooth adapter. The battery life looks decent, giving up to 13 hours of music time and 8 hours of talk time. It takes about 2 hours to fully charge these headphones. It is rated for IP54 Water resistance. You can customize the sound according to your suited taste by using the Jabra Sound Plus app, which you can download from the Google Play Store or the App Store. So that's it guys. That was the unboxing of the Jabra Evolve 65E headphones. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.